Right, so this is me getting the radiator ready to fit in. So I had to take the heat exchanger off. So there's 4 bolts here. You need to take off the spring clip at the back, each one spring washer, and then put them into the new radiator. So you also need to put in this spring washer here for the clamp onto the condenser, and also these are, to get these out you need to, once this is off, you need to put in a pick and pull the spring load off it and pull it out. So there's 4 of them. On the old radiator there's a kind of bonded bit for one of them which I couldn't get out, but the ironic thing is there's only one here, not 2. There should be 2, and I think that happened in the last radiator. I think that's for the pipe, see the heat exchanger pipe for the gearbox. So I think you need to maybe tie wrap that or something. So, and then leave these in, because these are, you don't get a radiator now with the internal heat exchanger for the gearbox, so you just leave them blanked off because this does the same job. These, I didn't have this replacement, so I just replaced that over, put a bit of sealer around it, Durco sealant. The washer wasn't the best either, but I'll just put it back on anyway and hopefully it should be okay. And that's got a new switch on here. Ideally I would have preferred to get both switches, but I thought I've not got the time, and I think the switch was okay anyway, but I just went ahead and changed this one. So it's just a case of putting the radiator back in, bolting everything back up. That's the theory anyway. So should just, I'm going to have a little bit of an issue maybe getting by this section here. And the bolts for here probably catch on this as well, so I need to watch that. Was in the way out it done that, because I'll do it in the way in. Right, so just try and put it in. Just catching a wee bit on the air conditioning pipe bit there, quite a neat catch there. Push it forward a wee touch, that's it. These things, it's just a step by step, one bit, next bit. This bit's jammed here. Of course I don't really want to force anything too much. But in the same token I want to try and put in place, the right place where it's going down. So if I can get this bit a bit further down, maybe that would help. Oops, it's got on the edge there. The light catching on. It's just catching the chassis leg right at the bottom there. So I kind of need to almost pull it back up one downside. No, if that's going to work though. No, doesn't seem to like that. off as well, so that's a bit of a pain, that. I didn't like that. And I'm jammed down here now at an angle. No good. Get this bit down first. Try and coax this bit down by that. It's not going down any further. That's just a wee bit stuck, I think, there. Granted, aren't the easiest radiators to get in and out of the cars. So much space. Ah, Jesus. Yep. Is that it? Part of the weight. Keeps catching something here. I don't know what it's. I think it's the side of the chassis leg. Clips and stuff on it. And then it's catching here as well. And then obviously make sure that it's going into the guide at the bottom as well before it goes too far down. It keeps catching here. It's catching here. See if I can see what it is actually catching on. I think it's looks like a pipe or something that's just sitting on there. Something on this side I don't like. I don't know what's doing that. It's that pipe, I think. Catching that. Wires now. It's there's like a block for the power steering pipes, I think it is. It's catching on that side. Which is not liking. Not like that at all. I think it's popped it off actually. The clip, which I'll need to fix later. Right, so just hope I don't have to lift it up too far again. It needs to get its guide there, and I need there. But I need to make sure the bottom ones are going in as well. I need to make sure that both guides are going in at the bottom before I push it down. It's almost there. I just need slowly. Run over the bolts make sure it's going in here, almost there, and then this one is there as well. I don't want to push down at an angle and then it won't go in at one side, or both sides actually. I think that side's in almost, and I think this side's just playing about. I think they're both in actually. There we go. And both the rubber bits are sitting snug, so that's quite good. So now when you realise you've forgot something, you take it out again. It's a pain. So that was what it was catching on, that there. So